All right, welcome back everyone. Ryan with Polar Fox Technologies, Polar Fox APU. We are here at the 2025 Texas Trucking Show in Houston, Texas. We have a new product here that we're unveiling at the show. We have our 5,000 BTU Day Cab / box truck unit. We've got 3 different versions of this. We have a 2 battery system, which it uses our standard Scana dual purpose lithium battery. So you don't have to add any extra battery boxes or anything like that. So we have a 2 battery version, 3 battery version, and 4 battery version. So 2 battery version is going to give you 200 amp hours, so roughly you get up to 5 hours of runtime. So if you're sitting in your truck, getting unloaded for 3 hours, getting loaded for 3 hours, waiting for a load, whatever, shut your truck off, the unit keeps on running, you got AC the whole time. Also with that, working on some testing now to see if there's any fuel economy advantages. We believe there probably will be, in our opinion. So with that, where you could, in the morning you get in your truck, or at night, or whenever you start up the unit, don't even use your AC, your belt-driven compressor. That does consume horsepower and fuel economy. So this, you can just start this up and run it all day. The alternator is going to continue to charge the batteries, and you have the reserve capacity of the batteries as well. So with the 2 battery unit, we're expecting up to 5 hours of runtime continuous, 3 batteries, 7.5 hours, and the 4 battery system at 10 hours of runtime estimated. So with that, if you had a box truck unit or something and you're sleeping in the box truck, if you have like a small sleeper built in the truck, with the 4 battery system, you should be able to get a 10-hour break-in. Again, no extra battery boxes in a typical installation for this, so pretty well plug and play. Our standard, same condenser unit and fan as our sleeper units right now, so nothing changes that. This is the only thing that has to go outside. Your evaporator, compressor, and blower, controller are all in one compact unit here. This could go right in between the seats if you have room. We're also developing a horizontal unit as well. That would be basically the same profile as this, but laid down, so it could go under a bench seat, have your ducts coming out. This is the prototype, so it may change a little bit as we go forward and then into production. This is also our first Bluetooth unit that is Bluetooth capable, and that will be, in the future, be integrated into our existing units as well. So pretty nice unit, I think. It'll be a game changer with the day cab industry, because it seems to be a big problem. Like I said, with guys with the trucks, they're trying to reduce the idle time, emissions issues and all that. So most of the trucks out there you see these days, especially with bigger companies, that they're shutting them off for 5 minutes. So what's the guy supposed to do if you're sitting somewhere getting loaded or unloaded for 3 hours? So we have the solution here. Price point, MSRP, the AC alone, we only sell in volume. We don't usually entertain 1 or 2 units for the AC alone. MSRP on the AC units, which again is available to our fleet partners and our dealers, $2,800 on that. The 2 battery unit, $4,400. Your 3 batteries, $5,200, and the 4 battery unit, 400 amp hour system is $6,000. That is exclusive of installation and labor. We estimate labor to be on this in our location, our shop, probably about 4 hours to install this. Pretty simple install. So you're probably under $1,000 for installation, under the prices that we just gave here. So that's pretty much all we have for today, guys. We'll try to get some more footage out here at the show. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and like the video. We'll see you next time.